Let's read this question before us. Example 3. A school has 3 computer classes, A, B, and C. There are 15 students in each class. Each student is given a mark out of 100 based on their performance in a test. Matrix M below displays the marks obtained by these 45 students listed by class. So as you can see, this has all the scores of class A. This has all the scores of class B, and this has all the scores of class C. Two other matrices, S and R, are defined. So as you can see, S is a column summing matrix, and R is a row summing matrix. It says, which of the following matrix expressions can be used to generate a matrix that displays the mean mark obtained for each class? So how do we find the mean mark? Well, to find the mean mark, what we're going to have to do is add up the total mark of each class. So we want to add the rows, because that will give us the total amount for the class. So we want to add the rows, then we want to divide by how many students there are in each class, and there are 15 in each class. Okay, so what does that mean? That means I want to add the rows. So if I want to add the rows, do I use a column matrix or a summing matrix? Well, we know that we use a column matrix. This is where we could come up and check with our notes here. To add the rows, you want to post multiply, so multiply after it, by a column matrix. So, all right, we'll come over here. So that means I want to start with M. I want to post multiply by my column matrix, and then I want to divide by 15. So that means, looking at my options here, I want to times it by 1 on 15, which is the same as D. So 1 on 15, M times S. So remember, you want to post multiply, and you want to use your column matrix for it. So this is having a good understanding of how summing matrices work and knowing how to use your definitions as defined up here. Remember, if you didn't want to refer to this, you could remember that to add the rows, you want to use a column matrix, and to add the columns, you want to use a row summing matrix. And that's kind of the thinking behind it. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll see you later.